kuha ko naman. Palagyan ng echo mga 1 kilo. How are you, Julius?
Fine.
Good evening.
Medyo nahihiya yan. Parang pabulong eh.
Paano ka nag-prepare for this competition?
First, na-prepare ko yung unang song ko ba, change yung mga mindset. Ibang song ang gagawin ko.
So what are you gonna sing?
Please don't ask me by
Please don't ask me. Gusto ko rin yan. Ang idol mo, ang gagayahin mo ay si Martin Luther. Nyo ba? Tagasan nga ulit si para sa mga kararating lang, yung mga hindi nakaabot, nakapanood ng eliminations.
From Tarlac City.
From Tarlac, so Kapampangan, Ilocano.
Wow.
Di ba? Kumanta ka na. Parang,
Okay.
totoo, gusto mo ba magpa-interview? Hindi, para lang ma-relax ka. Diba? Pagkakanta ka, relax ka na. Para hindi ka natitem.
Nakatent lang.
Walang S. May S yun, di ba? Nasistent.
Okay. The stage is now yours. Julius Manluta.
To sing Please Don't Ask Me by Martin Rivera. Palakpakan!
What can I do? My first impulse is to run to my side. My heart's not free, and so I'll hide. Please don't ask me what I'm gonna say to you. And turn, can't sleep at night. It's worrying me. I go to bed, turn my eyes. It's your face that I see. It only hurts the more I pretend to hide. Will be understand. Please don't ask me all I'm gonna say to you. You could easily make me happy, that I know. And I try my best to never tell you. I will sing to you my love songs and tell
Julius Manluta. Nice! Here.